Well, next we're going to make some fermented tomato sauce. Now, the tomato sauce has always been a little bit of a trick. It's not tricky, but it's a bit of a trick that I've pulled onto other family members. Because you know how hard it is as a concerned mum for the well-being and health of your family. So many kids and finicky teenagers, even husbands, balk at the idea of having some fermented food. They just don't trust it. It's just not how they were brought up. So with our fermented tomato sauce, we can imitate the real thing. We don't make it too spicy and we don't ferment it too long, but they're going to get some lovely digestive enzymes as part of the condiment in their cooked meal, right? So we've got a tin of organic tomatoes, and Lisa, if you can just open the tin and pour the contents into our blitzer cup. And also add a sachet of our tomato paste. So that will give just a lovely tomato sauce consistency. I find there's no need to add or take away from that. And now it's a matter of putting the spices in. And I do suggest like a smoky paprika, something that resembles a bit like a barbecue tomato sauce. We've got a barbecue seasoning here, have we, in that little container, yeah? Put a good sprinkle of that in there to give it that lovely spicy flavour. Yeah, you'll need a bit more than a sprinkle, just give it a few good shakes. And you can have a taste of it too once it's all blitzed. That's probably better there, yeah. And we decided to put a bit of our smoked garlic in there too, and a little tiny bit of ginger. Now, it's totally up to you what you put in there. You can have it as plain can be, with the addition of a little bit of salt. In our case, we might put a little bit of soy sauce in, yeah, seeing it's there. Homemade soy sauce, just a little dash. Oopsie, okay, lovely. And now a little dash of our water kefir. And that will introduce those lactic bacteria into our new ferment. Beautiful. And now it's ready for the blitzer. Lovely. And that's all you need to do. Now it's ready to pour into our trick-ing bottle, yes, to make it look like it's the real thing. But in fact, this is the real thing. And yeah, maybe a little sample of it first in case you need to adjust it. Yeah.
It smells the pot.
Oh, okay. Well, you had it spot on then, didn't you? Yeah, you're so good. Okay. I'm fine. Yep. Right. So just pour it all into the bottle. It's a lovely consistency, isn't it? Yeah. And then you simply put the lid on and stand it on the bench and just check it the next morning. This is now late afternoon, so the next morning just check it to see if you can taste a little bit of a fermented flavour. It's very warm here, the weather, around 30 degrees. It does cool down at night, so you just got to take it into consideration that it may still need the best part of tomorrow, say a full 24 hours. But you don't want to overdo the ferment on this one. I think we all know how fragile tomato is and how incredibly explosive it can be. Believe me, that's happened to me in the past. So yeah, put that on the bench with the other ferments and just let it do its thing after that. Cool. And then keep it in the fridge. And this tomato sauce will keep for many weeks in the fridge. It's amazingly stable. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.